Hello and welcome to one more tutorial. This is going to be how to activate the second factor. This is the brand new account we created just for testing. So you click on your username on the right top side and you go to 2FA, second factor authentication. Once you click in there, you have to install second factor on your phone. So just if you have a Google, you go to the place to install. If you have Apple, you go to the Apple Store or Google Play, install the app, and then you have to scan this. So what I'm going to do is you tap on the authentication app, you click on the plus side, and then you have two options. One, you can scan the QR code, or you can copy this key and paste it on your phone app and add this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan the QR code because it's easier and faster, and that will generate some codes. You have to put the codes that is being generated here. So 3, and then you click on save. As you can see, second factor step security was configured correctly. Now if you want to withdraw, you have to go to wallets and withdraw, and you have to put here your amount that you want to withdraw, your wallet, and you have to put the second factor, otherwise you can't withdraw. If you want to transfer bitcoins to another user, you have to put the second factor. So the company made it secure, and that's it. That's all you need to do to activate your second factor authentication. It's been activated. Thank you.